Hello student, today we are going to discuss forensics and social networking side, the security and the privacy threats. So the social networking is one of the most popular activities across the globe in today's digital connected network world. There are different social sites which are available that are Orkut, Facebook, MySpace, Weibo, Bigada. There are so many websites are which are available, and from that Orkut which is not available for the social media purpose. Now the main purpose of social networking site is to connect people and organization. It has also developed many business opportunity for companies, different organization and firms. The social media has introduced significant changes in the way of people communicate. The social networking site bring out a specific concern related to the privacy and security of the user. The security of and the privacy of this site mainly focuses on malware detection as it appears to come from a trusted contact or user more likely to click on the given link. Now, issues as the growth of social networking site which has brought various benefits, it also has various security concerns. It also provides a vulnerable platform to be exploited by the attackers. Some issues which are associated are as follows: misusing of your identity. Yes, exactly. On the social media, no one can knows who who are available at the another end. Threats from using third-party applications, trusting social networking site operators, viruses, phishing attacks, ID theft, malware, which are available on this concept social networking site, legal issues, tracking of users, and privacy of a data. Now, risk and challenges which are available for social networking sites. With the increase in the number of users accessing a social networking site, which has opened a new route for the attacker to gain access to the account of the individual. The more information that is posted, it creates a new threat on the privacy and the security of the user. First one is phishing attack. Identity Federation challenges, malwares, viruses, and worms. In that, LOL virus which are available, Zeus virus which are available, this kind of viruses which are only beneficial for a specific attack, that are LOL virus which is to be only available whenever on social media any person enter LOL. At the time this virus which is to be activated on that particular person's machine. Now Zeus virus which is to be developed a particular perspective which is to be installed on the user system, victim system, and try to get the credential of the bank. Click jacking attack. So digital forensic, which has been defined as the use of scientifically derived and proven method to the identification, collection, preservation, validation, analysis, and presentation of a digital evidences. So there are different challenges which are available for the digital forensics. We will discuss these things in the next lecture. Thank you.